We understand that your forces are even close to Desse, which is about 400 kilometers north of Addis Ababa. How far are you willing to take this conflict? Are you willing to go all the way to the capital?
We'll go as far as it takes to make sure that Abiy accepts the fact that there is nothing he could do about reversing the gains that we have made. It's all about ensuring the safety and security of our people. We'll do whatever it takes.
Would that include removing Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed from office, changing the government?
Honestly, this is not part of our plan, but I would tell people again and again, if Abiy is removed from office in the process of our forces advancing to wherever they have to advance to achieve their objectives, that would be the icing on the cake. Ethiopia would be better off without Abiy.
As this conflict has expanded, according to the UN, there are about 250,000 people who've been displaced in Amhara and Afar regions. The United States, for example, has called for the Tigrayan forces to pull back from these regions because of the humanitarian impact. Why won't you act in the interest of civilians in these regions?
The international community, could be the US, could be anything, to call on our forces to withdraw back to Tigray. We will not relent on our struggle until such time that the siege on Tigray is lifted, and lifted forever.